Laser man and cat girl, find your true identity.
I'm late for school!
Yes, this is me, Violet Smith. Late to school again?
I see. Blind joke, blind joke, blind joke. It's all they ever do once you're blind. Tisk, tisk. Haha! Violet got in trouble with the blindo! Who's next? Dick Jones? I know, right? Cats suck.
Hey look, it's me. Rushing into class. I go to a British school, so you kind of have to like dogs and have an accent to fit in. There are some Americans in here, but only like 6.
Hey.
Well, speak of the devil, Dirk Jones. You know what? I think you're not welcome here.
What? You said I could sit with you guys at lunch tomorrow.
Oh, that? That was just a prank. Gullible.
Glasses. Gullible glasses.
Hey, are you gullible glasses?
No. My name is Tony.
You can't fool us, Dirk. Gullible glasses!
Wait a second. Bullies? I gotta get out of here. Wait a second. Did that kid just laser his food? He might have powers, like me. Nah, he's probably just a robot.